Yo! Hi everyone! My name is Jason and welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Jerodix TV. And for today's video, guys, I'm so excited again. Yes, I'm so excited again to react another. Wow, this is not a music, guys, but this is also related in Manipur. And this video was I watched this last night only, guys, and I'm so curious about what they do in this kind of celebration in their state. And this is a festival, guys. So yes, this is the YAOSHANG Festival, particular in Manipur, that was celebrated only, I think, only in Manipur. So if I'm mistaken, just correct me only, alright? So before we start, guys, I just want to read first what is YAOSHANG Festival, alright? So YAOSHANG is a festival celebrated in Manipur for 5 days in spring, alright? So starting on the full moon day of the month of Lambda. So I don't have any idea what is the meaning of Lambda. YAOSHANG is indigenous tradition of the Meitei people. So Meitei tribe, this one, alright? So it is considered the most important festival in Manipur. Wow, I'm correct. Woohoo! Like Holi, the Hindu Meitei of Manipur play with colors during this fest. So again, I don't have any idea what this meaning of these colors he dictate here. So wow, I'm so excited again, guys. So let's watch this video. But before we start, make sure that you are subscribing my channel, and please don't forget to hit that bell button for more latest update on my channel. So without further ado, guys, let's get now and watch this video. Here we go, guys, the YAOSHANG Festival. I'm so excited, guys. Oh, wait. Look at that, our little sister from Manipur. She put some lipstick. At her age, she knows how to put some lipstick, huh? Nakating Neba. Children visit nearby home, showering blessings of success. Wow. And they receive little monetary gifts as a donation from the household in return. Oh my God. That was so very religious activity, guys. Just like that. That was a very traditional belief. So let's see. Let's watch how they perform this one. Their friends. Oh. Wow. Oh, I see. Look at that, guys. She know how to put lipstick in her younger sister. This is so adorable, guys. call someone. Yeah, this is the basket. Yeah, the one, the donation. Oh, look at the smile of this younger sister. Oh, wow. That was so incredible activity. Oh, a rice. This put some money also. Wow. Oh, Tori, wait. What's that? Tori. Oh. Yeah, that one. Oh. Tori Tatpa. Children block roads with ropes to collect money from people passing by at the start of the second day. Oh, really? They block the road and then they collect money? Wow. That was so interesting. Let's watch. She's so cute. Look at them. Wow. They're so happy. Oh, look at that was the roof and then... Oh, we stop! Oh. Why should we turn it? Maybe that's not enough. they get some additional, Again. Oh my God, what are you doing? Baby. There needs some more. Look at our little sister. She's so happy. Oh, they put some, wow, a color powder. What do you call this one, guys? The color powder. Wow. Oh, look at that. Oh, wait, guys. I just wanna ask, guys, if this powder can't irritate to your eyes if you put in your face. Alright, so maybe it's not because they put in their face that. Okay, let's continue. They're so happy. Look at that. Oh, they're dancing. You know, guys, I'm so happy. I'm so enjoy to watch this our little sister from Manipur. And you know, guys, just continue, guys, what this kind of a tradition what you have now, and maybe this kind of a tradition will praise your country. Yes, and I guess this is very important to you in your country. So just continue what are you doing in your festival like this, guys. Let's continue. The little sister there, she's tired now. Oh, what's this? YAOSHANG Sports. YAOSHANG Sports organized by ACAM Youth Development Club, and most of the local communities and clubs organize sports on the local grounds during the 5 days of YAOSHANG. Oh, okay. There's some sports there in the festival. So let's see. Oh, that is a track and field. Oh, tag of war. Oh, actually, the one who play like this sport is usually guy, but here, lady, the one who played. Wow, the two is stronger. Hello! Oh, what's this? Eating contest? Who the first? Wow, this is very enjoy, guys. Oh, why they have no clothes? Oh, what's this? We have also here like this in our country. That was Palaseb, no. I forgot the name of these traditional sports, guys. Just like Palaseb, just like that. Because they put some lubricant in the... usually we're using bamboo. But here I don't think so. This is just like wood. Yeah, take it! Ow! Oh, you got the plug. So maybe he have received some reward from that guy. Oh, what's this? Let's read that guy. Oh, this one. Oh, sorry, Mundet. I just want to read. Ow! I'm sorry again. Why this? Okay. YAOSHANG Indian Napi Huramba. This is for entertainment purposes only. I do not support any such kind of practices. Alright? What happened here? Fighting now. Sorry guys, I don't understand. What? I don't understand. Oh, yes. Oh, that's cool. Yes, of course. Festival can't complete without the food. YAOSHANG may taba. Bye. I just want to rewind first, guys, because I want to read that one. That one, guys. Sorry. Okay. YAOSHANG May Taba. The celebration begins with the burning of YAOSHANG, which is constructed with bamboo and straw on the first day. Alright. Let's see. That was... Just like offering, guys. The powder color, I don't know what's that name. That one will burning now. Wow. By the way, guys, this video was credited to Khangembam vlog. So thank you so much for you for allowing me to react this kind of video. Wow, this is you know, guys, YAOSHANG Festival. I'm so happy to share this to my country, to my fellow friends there in my hometown. I just want to share this because, you know, I just want, or we just want to know what you're doing in your festival. And this is my first time, guys, and I don't have any idea on how you celebrating your festival there in Manipur. So I watch now. I'm so enjoy because, you know, you have so very different belief or traditions in your state. Wow, that was so amazing. And maybe you just continue what are you doing in your festival. Maybe that one is the time to receive your country and an abundant you know, what's this economy in your country. So if this one is your belief, why not you continue this one? If this is brings you an abundant life to your family, to your community. And I pray also that this kind of festival, this kind of a tradition or belief will give you a happiness to all people there in Manipur. So thank you so much for sharing this kind of video that will give me some idea on how you celebrate the YAOSHANG Festival. And no doubt, guys, I'm so happy, and I learned some idea in this kind of a festival. So guys, if you like this kind of a video, please, guys, don't forget to like and share to your friends and families, and give this a lot of thumbs up. And for those new to my channel, please, guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for more latest update on my channel. So guys, see you on my next reaction video. I love you all, guys, and thank you so much again. God bless. Bye-bye.